over
For more
IP
detail,
standards,
welcome,
sound,
email
video,
us,
and
sales
HDMI,
at
SDI, or
winlinktech.com.
RS-232. With AV over IP, all signals are simply carried over a single, standard Ethernet cable. AV over IP can be used to transmit video from multiple sources to multiple displays. AV over IP is all around us. It's the technology that underpins digital signage in shopping malls, sports bar video walls, corporate audio and video communications, and AV control rooms. What are the major benefits of AV over IP? Firstly, AV over IP is about simplicity. It's easier to cable. It doesn't need signal converters to go from SDI to HDMI, or analog to digital. And as it's standardized around a regular network connector, there's no worry about various HDMI or USB adapters. Traditional installations require dedicated AV cables which are limited by transmission distance. AV over IP can send signals over long distances, using standard network data cables. In traditional AV, the number of sources and displays is limited by a fixed quantity of input and output of a matrix switch. However, AV over IP switch is no longer limited to the ratio of inputs and outputs, and it's easier to keep adding sources and displays without overwhelming efforts. AV over IP can be transmitted within buildings, between local offices, and even to facilities in other continents. It's as simple as adding network switches, using optical fiber, or routing signals over AV over IP uses standard IT networking equipment. After the initial investment, expanding the system is relatively economical. It's often the greener choice too. Thanks to the rapid rollout of high-speed broadband and fiber connectivity, reliable AV over IP is becoming mainstream in both work and home environments.